Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we discuss the numericals of chapter 5, refraction of light through a lens. The important formulas needed for solving the numericals of chapter 5 are 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. U stands for object distance, V stands for image distance, and F stands for focal length. When we solve the numericals by using the formula 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U, if we simply substitute the values in the formula, we won't get the correct answer. So for getting the answer, we have to apply the sign convention. Sign convention we had already discussed in the last class. Once I tell it. So that is the distance is always measured from the optical center. The distance which is measured from the optical center along the principal axis. The distance which is measured in the direction of the incident ray, that is taken as positive, and the distance which is measured opposite to the direction of the incident ray is taken as negative. For in the case of object distance, the distance must be always measured from the optical center. So the distance from the optical center to the lens, that is always measured opposite to the direction of the incident ray. So in the case of object distance, when we apply the sign convention, in U we have to always put negative sign. And in the case of image distance, if the image is formed after the lens, behind the lens, then in that case the image distance is taken as positive. So in V, when we apply the sign convention, there is positive sign. And if the image is formed on the same side as that of the object, means in front of the lens, in that case, when we put the sign convention, image distance also there is negative sign. Now the next formula is, and in the case of focal length of convex lens is taken as positive and focal length of concave lens is taken as negative. So without applying the sign convention, we won't get the correct answer. Next one is magnification is equal to V upon U, which is equal to I upon O. V stands for image distance, U stands for object distance, I stands for image distance, and O stands for object distance. Here also we have to apply a sign convention. The distance which is measured above the principal axis is taken as positive, and which is taken below the principal axis is taken as a negative. The next formula, power is equal to 1 upon F. P stands for power, F stands for focal length, and F is equal to 1 upon P. So these are the formulas needed for solving the numericals of this chapter. Now we will see some of the numericals. First we will do the first question. So listen to the first question. At what position a candle of length 3 cm be placed in front of a convex lens so that its image of length 6 cm be obtained on a screen placed at a distance 30 cm behind the lens? What is the focal length of the lens? So first of all, we have to write what all things are given. An object of height 3 cm. Height of object is 3 cm. and it is given that image is formed 30 centimeter behind the lens. Image V is formed 30 centimeter behind the lens. So, you know, in the case of a convex lens, behind the lens, always an inverted image is formed. So, and the height of the image is given as 6 centimeter. We have to find U and F, object distance and focal length. So, first of all, we have to write a suitable formula. That is magnification, which is equal to V upon U is equal to I upon O. V upon U, which is equal to I upon O. This formula. Substituting V is equal to 30 centimeter, which is upon U. That is equal to height of image. So height of image that is given as 6 centimeter upon height of object that is given as 3 centimeter. Centimeter here cut. Now we solve it. U is equal to 30 centimeter, or U is equal to 30 divided by 2, which is equal to 15 centimeter. This is the object distance. Now we will do the second part, finding the focal length. So you writing the formula 1 upon F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by U. Focal length we have to find out. Substituting the values, 1 by V. V is equal to 30 minus 1 by U. U we found, that is a 15 centimeter. Now we apply the sign convention. So image is formed after behind the lens, so that is measured in the direction of the incident ray. So in the case of V, there is a positive sign, and in the case of object distance U, always there is a negative sign, which is measured opposite to the direction of the incident ray. Then it will come 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon 30 minus 1 by minus 15. Here what we did, we applied the sign convention. Sign convention is applied. Then that will come 1 by 30 minus minus is plus 1 by 15. Taking the LCM. So LCM is 30. So that is equal to 3 by 30. 1 by F is equal to 3 by 30. Therefore F is equal to 30 upon 3, which is equal to 10 centimeter. So this is the focal length. So here plus sign shows that it is a convex lens. So we found the object distance. Object distance is 15 centimeter and the focal length is 10 centimeter. Now we do the third question. The focal length of a convex lens is 25 centimeter. At what distance from the optical center of the lens an object is placed to obtain a virtual image of twice the size? This is the question. The focal length is given as 25 centimeter and the height of the object is taken as X centimeter. Then a virtual image of height twice. So height of the image is 2x centimeter. So we have to find the object distance. So virtual image is formed. The virtual image is formed above the principal axis. Okay, which formula we will write? So we will write the formula V upon U is equal to I upon O. Then substituting the values, V upon U is equal to 2x upon x. So if the image distance is 2x, then object distance is x. Now we write so V is equal to 2x and U is equal to x and V is equal to 2x. Now writing the formula of focal length, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Then convex lens. So it is a convex lens. Focal length, when we apply a sign convention, that is also positive. So substituting the values, 1 by 25 equal to 1 upon V. V is 2x and U is x. Now we apply the sign convention. Applying the sign convention, since it is a convex lens, so focal length is taken as positive, and this one V image is formed, virtual image is formed. So this one sign virtual image is formed on the same side. So V also minus sign will be there, and in U also minus sign will be there. Now we substitute the values, 1 by 25, that is equal to minus it is plus. So then substituting, taking the LCM, that is 2x minus 1 plus 2. So we get, after this I write it on this side. So we get 1 by 25 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 is 1 by 2x. So 2x is equal to, cross multiplying, 2x is equal to 25. Therefore x is equal to 25 upon 2, that is equal to 12.5. So we have to find object distance. Object distance is U. U is equal to x is equal to 12.5 centimeter. U is equal to x is equal to 12.5 centimeter. So object distance U is equal to 12.5 centimeter. This is the answer. Now we do question number 5. Listen the question. An illuminated object lies at a distance 1 meter from a screen. Means the distance between object and image is 1 meter or 100 centimeter. A convex lens is used to form the image of object on a screen placed at a distance 75 centimeter from the lens. The distance between screen and the lens is 75 centimeter. Means image distance V is equal to 75 centimeter. Then object distance will be 100 centimeter minus 75 centimeter equal to 25 centimeter. Find the focal length and magnification. So see, distance between object and image is given as distance between the object and the screen, that is 1 meter or 100 centimeter. Then it is given the distance between lens and the screen. Lens and the screen means image distance, that is 75 centimeter. Then what is the object distance? Distance between lens and object, that is 100 minus 75 equal to 25 centimeter. In first part we have to find the focal length. So which formula we will use? 1 upon f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. You write the formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Then substituting the values. V is 75 and u is 25. Now we apply the sign convention. Applying sign convention. In the case of image distance, image distance is measured in the direction of the incident ray. So V, there is positive sign. And in the case of U, there is a negative sign. So after applying the sign convention, then it will come 1 by f is equal to 1 by 75 minus 1 by minus 25. So that is 1 by f equal to 1 by 75 plus 1 by 25. In case of object distance, when we apply sign convention, always there is negative sign. So now we take the LCM of 75 and 25. That is 75, 1 plus 3. 4 by 75. F is equal 1 by f equal to 4 by 75. Therefore, f is equal to 75 upon 4. That is equal to 18.75 centimeter. So we get a focal length as 18.75 plus, that is convex length. This is the answer of first bar. Focal length is equal to 18.75 centimeter. Second part, we have to find the magnification. Magnification is equal to V upon U. Formula of magnification is V upon U. So now we substitute the value 75 centimeter divided by 25 centimeter. Now we apply the sign convention. V, there is positive sign, and U, object distance is taken. When we apply the sign convention, in object distance there is negative sign. So 75 upon minus 25, minus 3. Centimeter and centimeter are cancelled. So magnification is equal to minus 3. Now question number 7. A lens forms the image of an object placed at a distance of 45 centimeter from it on a screen placed at a distance 90 centimeter on other side of it. So you see the question. So object distance between object and lens is 45 centimeter, and the image is formed 90 centimeter on the other side of it. So image distance V is 90 centimeter. So the image is formed on the other side. So it is a convex lens. First part answer is convex lens. Then find the focal length and the magnification. So focal length and magnification we have to find. First of all, we write the formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now we substitute the values. 1 by f is equal to 1 by 90 minus 1 by 45. Now applying sign convention. So 1 by f is equal to V. V is measured in the direction of the incident ray. So V, there is a plus sign, and in U is measured opposite to the direction of the incident ray. So there is minus sign. So 1 by 90 minus is plus 1 by 45. Taking the LCM. 1 by 90 plus 1 by 45. The LCM is 90. 1 plus 2. 3 by 90. Therefore, F is equal to 90 upon 3, which is equal to 30 centimeter. Focal length is 30 centimeter. Now, second part we have to find the magnification. Magnification is equal to V upon U. Substituting, V is 90 and U is 45 centimeter. Centimeter and centimeter cut. Then applying the sign convention, V plus sign is there and in U minus sign is there. So answer 90 by 45, 2. So minus 2, magnification is a minus 2. This is the answer. Now we will do question number 9. In question number 9, it is given that the power of lens is plus 2 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens and the kind of lens used. So it is the power is given as plus 2 diopter. So plus sign, obviously it shows that it is a convex lens. So the lens is convex lens. Now we have to find the focal length. For finding the focal length of the lens, we use the formula F is equal to 1 upon P. Now we substitute the value. 1 by P is 2 diopter. 1 by 2, this much meter. So 1 by 2 meter. 0.5 meter. For converting meter into centimeter, we multiply by 100 centimeter. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 1 by 2 into 100 centimeter, which is equal to 50 centimeter. The focal length of the lens is 50 centimeter and the kind of lens is convex lens, since the power is a positive. Now we do the last question, that is question number 11. So in question number 11, it is given that the focal length of a convex lens is 25 centimeter. So focal length is given as 25 centimeter. Centimeter we have to convert into meter. So 25 centimeter is equal to 25 upon 100 meter. We have to find power of lens. Power we have to find. Then we write the formula to find power. Power is equal to 1 upon focal length. Then we substitute 1 by 25 by 100. That is equal to 100 upon 25, which is equal to plus 4 diopter. So this here the power of the lens is 4 diopter and it is a convex lens, so the power is positive. So we have discussed the numericals. So you must know the important formulas. That is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Then magnification is equal to V upon U, which is equal to I upon O. So in these cases, it is necessary to apply the sign convention. And the remaining formula, power is equal to 1 upon F, or F is equal to 1 upon P. F is equal to 1 upon P. So these are the formulas. So in the next class, we will discuss a new topic.